Program to know the room temperature. To create an AI Connect program to know the room temperature, create a project. In this project, create a basic coding activity. Then follow the given steps. Conditions that are used here. If temperature is greater than 25, print it's too hot. If temperature is less than 25, print it's too cold. If temperature is 25, print it's perfect. If no input, print invalid. Step 1. Create a variable T and ask the user to enter the room temperature. Block code. Textual code. Step 2. Using the logic blocks, provide the conditions to detect and give print accordingly. The elif keyword is Python's way of saying, if the previous conditions were not true, then try this condition. It is equivalent to else if block in AI Connect. Block code. Textual code. Output.